Cadian shock troopers are the highly disciplined military regiment soldiers conscripted in large numbers from the fortress world of Cadia for the Astra Militarum, which once stood sentinel as the preeminent bastion of the Imperium of Man in the fight against the Emperor's ancient archenemy Chaos. They are deployed in every segmentum of the Imperium and are particularly skilled at defending fortified positions against extreme assaults and in warfare against the forces of Chaos. From the famous shock troops of its infantry regiments to its dedicated crews of its armoured war engines and the gunners who man its artillery and heavy weapons, the disciplined and highly professional warriors of the Cadian regimentum are lauded throughout the Imperium as born soldiers. Cadia was one world amongst many tens of thousands in the Imperium and has an honoured and violent place in its history, for Cadia stood upon the edge of the Eye of Terror, within the Segmentum Obscurus, in a narrow corridor of navigable space known as the Cadian Gate. As a result, for 10,000 standard years, Cadian endured the constant assaults of the forces of Chaos from within the Eye and remained unbowed and unconquered until Abaddon the Spoiler unleashed his 13th Black Crusade. This history of unending threat from the archenemy bred a world of warriors who are still known to possess unsurpassed discipline and skill, and whose Astra Militarum regiments stand as examples to the rest of the Imperial Guard and mankind. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.